So being aware that these sacred buildings are built on crossings of major earth energy lines, I'm just going to show you what happens. So I'm going across the transept, and I'm asking to show me the center, but in fact the energy runs right across the width of the transept. And again, if we go across the nave, same question, and as we go across the nave, that's the center, but in fact the line is the full width. So as we look up, we can actually see the square that it's enclosing. And if we ask for the nave line, which way the energy is flowing, I'm getting it's flowing towards the east. And if I go across the transept line, the line is flowing towards the south. So with that direction of lines, we should get a clockwise spin of energy. Now that's very powerful, and it's a yang energy coming upwards, which is life-giving. So it's a perfect place for carrying out ceremony, because it's that earth energy, that pure earth energy, being carried from those two earth energy lines, ley lines probably, and when that spins up, that can be used, spread throughout the whole cathedral, and through the song and the dedication, spread out to the community in the air, but also through the earth energy lines to other earth energy lines around the earth grid, activating other sacred sites, other cathedrals, stone circles, temples around the world on this grid, through that process of conscious ceremony. The opposite to that would be the earth energy spinning anti-clockwise, which would be very draining and can make you very sick. So one would avoid building on that, especially a home. So all you designers, architects out there, check your earth energy lines and make sure you're not on an anti-clockwise yin vortex, which would drain your energy. I wouldn't even build on a yang energy like you would a cathedral, unless you're going to use it for ceremony, and you can actually take the power and be responsible for holding the power of that energy, because otherwise whatever you send out will create an effect, positive or negative. So the intention there is carried on that wave through the structure, through the sacred geometry of the building, the harmonics of the building is incredibly important. So there's a little bit of architecture, harmonics, music, conscious intention, geomancy, and how they all come together. So this is of course one of my pet subjects, and very important to me as an architect, house whisperer, geomancer, philosopher, and all the rest. So I hope you enjoyed that little intro, and thank you to Tintern Abbey, the earth, and the monks who created this magnificent structure here.